Hello guys, you're welcome once more to n-2. I'm your tutor myself. Okay, if you're new to the channel, do well to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to somebody. It could be a family member, friend, or even student. Okay, so let's get right into today's question. Okay, it's on permutation and combination, but as you can see, the C there, so it shows that it is on what? Combination. So how do we go about solving this problem? It says evaluate. Okay, so we have n+1 combination n-2 if what n is equals to what? 50. So all we need to do, this is a very simple one. We just have to substitute the value of n as 15 here. So let's see. So we have 15 plus 1, okay, combination, okay, and 15 minus what? 2. Okay, so this is going to give us 15 plus 1 is 16, combination. 15 minus 2 is going to give us what? 30. All right. So we're now going to apply the formula for combination, which we have n combination r is n factorial divided by what? N minus our r what factorial times r what factorial. So in this case, our n is 16 and our r is what? 13. Okay, so let's substitute and see what we are going to get. We are going to get 16 what? Factorial. Okay, divide 16 minus what? 13 factorial multiplied by what? 13 factorial. All right, so let's see what that gives us. So 16 minus 13, we know is going to give us what? That will give us okay, 3 factorial times what? 13 what? Factorial. All right, so let's simplify this to see what we are going to get. So we have 16 factorial, okay, as of course 16 combination 13. So I can say 16 times what? 16 minus 1 is what? 15 times what? 15 minus 1 is what? 14 times what? 14 minus 1 is what? 13. I'm going to stop at 13 because I see we have 13 factorial. So I'm going to say 13 factorial. So divide by what? So we have 3 factorial means what? 3 times 2 times 1. So we have times what? 13 what? Factorial. So this makes it easier for us to be able to, cancel out what we have. So I have that these will cancel out this. We have this 1, 1. Okay. So I'm still seeing that, this can cancel out something. So let's see what we have. 3 into itself is 1. 3 into 15 is what? 5. Okay, 2 into itself is 1. 2 into 16 is 8. So we have 8 times what? 5 times what? 14. Okay, so 8 times 5 is going to give us what? 8 times 5 is going to give us 40. So times what? 14. All right, so let's quickly solve 40 times 14 to see what that gives us in this question. So 40 times 14, okay, so our 16 combination, what? 13 is what? 40 times 14, which we can still write as 4 times what? Okay, 140. So 4 times 0 is what? 0. 4 times 4 is 16. So carry 1. 4 times 1 is what? 4. So for add the 4 to this is 5. So our answer to this problem is what? 560. So when n is 15, n+1 combination n minus 2 gives us what? 560. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and feel free to share this wonderful video to somebody that it may be of help. I'll see you guys.